Hi, Nate from Perspective here. First, I just want to say thanks for signing up. It really does mean a lot to us. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Perspective to gather feedback. The first thing we're going to do is create a new research outline, which is used for context building and ensures that Perspective asks the right questions to get you the insights you're looking for. So to create a new research outline, just head to the home page, and once you're here, you'll see two options. You can choose a recommended research question, or you can write your own. So today, let's say I'm a product manager and I want to know why my customers are churning. So I'll type my initial research question. Why are customers canceling their subscription? Now, in order to create the research outline, Perspective is going to interview me. The whole process usually takes less than 3 minutes, and at the end, you'll have a research outline. So now that I have my research outline, I can try the interview to get an understanding of what the interview experience will be like for participants. I can customize the interview settings and do things like add a custom welcome message, add a custom CTA to send participants to my rewards platform, or I can update the colors and add a logo to ensure that the experience is on brand for my company. And if I want to make changes to the content of the outline itself, I can just continue chatting with Perspective and tell it what to change. Once you're done with that, you're ready to invite participants. You can invite them by typing in their email. You can post a link on social media or even generate a QR code and send it to the folks that you want to get feedback from. And that's it. Now you can sit back and watch the interviews come rolling in. Thanks again for choosing Perspective, and thanks for watching.